Welcome to my channel Devish Mathematics. In this video we are going to solve question number 12 of chapter 4b Elements of Mathematics class 11. First exercise, prove the following. Cos 6a minus sin 6a equal to cos 2a into 1 minus 1 by 4 sin square 2a. Start from LHS. Cos 6a minus sin 6a, that is equal to cos square a whole cube minus sin square a whole cube. So you can put the formula a cube minus b cube, that is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. This is nothing but cos 2a. Again you can write it as cos 4th a can be written as cos square a square. Sin 4th a can be written as sin square a square plus cos square a sin square a. Right. So that is nothing but cos 2a square plus b square, a minus a plus b whole square minus 2ab so that's it. Now come to the next step. Equal to cos 2a into 1 minus sin square a cos square a, that is equal to cos 2a 1 minus 4 sin square a cos square a divided by 4, which is nothing but cos 2a into 1 minus 2 sin a cos a whole square by 4, which is nothing but cos 2a into 1 minus 2 sin a cos a is sin 2a whole square by 4. So that becomes cos 2a into 1 minus sin square 2a divided by 4, which is RHS proved. So this completes question number 1. Question number 2. Cos 6a plus sin 6a equal to 1 by 4 into 1 plus, start from LHS, cos 6a plus sin 6a, which is equal to cos 6a is cos square a whole cube plus sin square a whole cube, a cube plus b cube, a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So that is cos square a plus sin square a is 1. Again cos 4th a plus sin 4a minus sin square a cos square a. 1 into cos 4a is nothing but cos square a whole square plus sin square a whole square minus sin square a cos square a. A square plus b square is a plus b whole square minus 2ab so you get 1 minus 3 sin square a cos square a. 1 minus 3 by 4 into 4 sin square a cos square a, that is equal to 1 minus 3 by 4 2 sin a cos a whole square, which is same thing as 1 minus 3 by 4 sin 2a whole square, that is equal to 1 minus 3 by 4 sin square 2a. Now you can write in two ways. 1 minus 3 by 4 sin square 2a is 1 minus cos square 2a. So you get 1 minus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 cos square 2a, which is equal to 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 cos square 2a. 1 by 4 into 1 plus 3 cos square 2a, which is nothing but RHS proof.